another. What is going on, YouTube? I am Cameron.
And I'm Jake.
Today, we are bringing you another challenge, and this will be the Diet Coke challenge.
Diet Coke? Alright, so basically what we have to do here is we have to drink as much of this Diet Coke as we can without letting any burp whatsoever out. So what it does is it builds up like a giant gas bubble inside of your stomach, and it's not really comfortable, and I for one, don't like that feeling.
I mean, we did this before.
We've done this before on previous different channel of ours,
and it didn't. We got bigger bottles and it didn't turn out too well. But these are a little bit smaller, and we're gonna chug these straight through. So, all right, so we're gonna get this started now. Crack these open.
Oh!
This fizz up.
The winner is the one to finish it first without burping, or whoever has the most before they let out a burp. Basically, you guys be the judge.
So we're just gonna chug this straight through and just try not to burp, and I think that's pretty good.
Cheers!
Cheers.
3, 2, 1,
go!
Oh God,
this is really bad. I can feel it coming in.
I hate this so much.
I'm gonna burp. I'm.
No. For some reason, Diet is supposed to be like super more carbonated than regular.
It feels like a natural reflex to just burp.
I know.
And I feel it in my throat.
Swallow it.
I'm trying to swallow.
Just keep drinking more. Drinking more helps. Dude, I'm a little bit more than halfway done.
I also feel like I'm gonna throw up.
I'm almost done. Oh my God.
It was like a huge fart in
the gas
middle of
bubble. I honestly feel like I could crap myself right now. I'm sure this isn't too good for you.
I'm actually feeling pain inside the upper part of my stomach. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Done.
How did you finish that so fast?
I almost lost it on that last one, bro. Oh my God. That stinks, dude.
I smell like hot, sick ass and a dead carcass. Oh, even Stink would say that stinks.
Don't lose it. Hold it. Come on. Guys, if Cameron finishes this, make sure you slap a like on that. He's got this.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Cameron. Come on, dude, you're so close. You're so close. Just throw it down.
Shut up.
Just throw it down, bro.
I'm trying.
There. Oh, there we go. Let it out. He's got it. Oh my.
Oh, another in my nose. Oh gosh. Oh god. Dude, I literally felt like
it's literally the best feeling ever.
It tastes like Chinese.
I
haven't had Chinese in a really long time, dude.
Like, honestly, after holding this in, and releasing it so quick. It like
You could
it
just
has
feel.
to be one of the best feelings there is.
You could feel, like every chug of that, you could feel the pain in the upper part of your stomach. And I honestly thought I was gonna throw up. Especially towards the end, I thought I was gonna throw up.
my
That
very
really
last
hurt. Yeah.
drink, the very last sip I had, I almost yacked it up.
It was probably 2 before my last sip, and I thought a lot more than the burp was gonna come out. We'll just put it that way. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that challenge, be sure to hit that like button down below and hit that subscribe button.
Don't forget the bell either. Make sure you get those
Hit that bell.
notifications turned on. If the subscribe button is red,
Then you haven't clicked it.
you're doing something wrong. And you have not subscribed to us yet. Hope you guys enjoyed.
And especially if you guys want to, just drop a comment down below. Just tell us, give us some ideas of what to do in the future. And we'd love to hear your comments. We want a lot of feedback, so.
Honestly, the comments will help a lot. We just want to know what you guys want to see so we can record and get the content to you guys. So
I think that's about it.
peace. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.